Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do not forget to subscribe, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on gold for this week. So all I just have to say is that there will be more upward movements this week and next week and even next week on gold because one, gold is still a safe haven asset and we are still at the period of uncertainty, so with that will make gold to go bullish. Secondly, we would be expecting some drop on DXY. I mean, if you know, this is the this we are, last month of the year, right? Between November, December, you will notice that DXY usually fall within that period, so that will even make gold to even go bullish more. So basically all you just have to do is we will look for an opportunity to go long on gold. So if you're interested in taking that trade with us, you can now join the 50%, 40% discount that we are offering on the Patreon channel. I mean, those of you that actually, were trying to subscribe last week, that you've reached out, that we actually closed, that you reached out late. Now we will be reoffering it back. So if you missed out on it last week, you can now join this week. So basically, we will be putting out high probability trade that you have higher chances of winning. So you can join us and trade with us. There will be a 40% discount, which is currently going on. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and subscribe before this offer is over. Remember, this offer would be for 2 days, and then that is it. Now let's take a look at today's gold. Gold has literally given us one impulse move to the upside. That is on the daily. Now we can see another pullback here, right? This is another impulse move that took out these previous highs, and now this is a pullback. So the next movement we'll be expecting is another impulse move to the upside that will give us a new higher highs, which is currently playing out. It is currently playing out. So a new higher highs is going to happen on gold. So if you go to the down time frame, probably we should expect some drop again before that new movement to the upside, thereby giving us a new higher highs. So basically, we are still our bias on gold is still to the upside, still that bullish move. So we'll be expecting that bullish move to, let's see if we can hit this resistance level of 2050, 2050. That will be our target first on gold. So between November, December, we should be able to clock that level. I mean, because there is going to be more sell on the DXY or USD index. So if that will happen, then definitely gold should push up. So more buys is coming on gold. So watch out for it. Do not forget to subscribe to the Patreon channel if you are interested. There is a 40% discount currently going on. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section.